Hi guys, this is Joe from Techie Lobang. Welcome back to this channel. Right in front of me is the Google Pixel Watch 3 with LTE, and this is the 41mm version. There's another version which is the 45mm version. However, this is the 41mm version, the smaller one. And let's start unboxing it because I think you'll be interested to know what's inside. As usual, very simple way to unbox with the recent packaging. And as you can see, there's a box of accessories at the back. So this is so this is not the accessories, this is actually the watch itself. So let me open up. So cute. And this is the strap, if I'm not wrong. So there you have it, the the watch face, the strap, and let's see if I have any other things. Some basic instructions and a secondary strap over here, another strap over here. So I believe if you have a bigger wrist size, you might have to use the longer one. Let me compare it. There you can see, if you have a bigger wrist, you need to use the other strap. But so far my wrist is very small, so definitely this will do. And what is this? Okay, some documentation and warranty, if I'm not wrong. Yeah. So underneath this, there's this wireless charger. This is the charger for the Pixel watch. Very tiny charger. Let me do a close up. So let me show you how you can put in or put on the straps easily. So for me, I would like to turn it behind like this. So I like to turn it behind like this, and let me see, over here there's a catch over here. At the bottom there's a catch. Shift it towards the catch area and push it, and that's it. It's easy to mount the strap like this. On the other side, same thing. There's a catch over here. There's a catch over here. So what you can do is place it near the catch area and push it up, and that is it. Easy, right? So this is very small compared to my usual watch that I wore. booting up this watch. So let me do a pairing, and that's it for now. Thank you so much. I'll review it in more detail later, but right now that is the unboxing experience. That's it. Bye bye.